Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today another trade recap, and again losses on losses, bro. Today is October the 31st, so last day of October, and I took two trades. I lost both of them, as you can see right here. First trade, both on Nasdaq. This was the first trade, this was the second trade. Lost $9.41 total. I'm still risking very small amounts. I'm risking maximum around like 0.12%. And let's get right into it. I will show you guys how much I risked today on each trade, and then we will get into the chart work. Bang. As you can see, this is the first trade I took today. 0.10% risk. And then the second trade I took today, 0.08% risk. Yeah, basically it. And yeah, let's get into the chart work. How I got smacked by fucking Nasdaq. Basically, what we had today, market opened right here, 1430, and we started to get a downwards move. What I wanted to see is on the higher time frames we had these liquidity, these levels of liquidity, I guess, and these got taken out pretty quickly. I was like, okay, nice. What else did we do? We got a fair value gap fill with this move right here, and also a retrace move, and that was basically like all the confidence I needed. And I was like, type shit, let me get into a trade. So we had one confluence was the fair value gap, the second confluence was the retrace, and the third confluence was that we swept out liquidity. These were like high time frame confluences. Then on the low time frames, I checked it out and I saw that we were making, damn, bro, am I stupid? Bruh, I'm stupid. I can just show. Oh yeah, right here it was. Bang. Oh yeah, bro. What the fuck? I'm blind. As Nasdaq made a lower low, while the S&P 500 made a higher low. That means Nasdaq is the lagging index, and I prefer Nasdaq anyway. So I was looking at Nasdaq for some more confluences. When did we get more confluences? By having this retrace, and then a reaction candle with this one right here, and I entered my position. Yeah, it was basically right after the oh, what the fuck, right after this green candle, which is like blue on my charts, but it's like green candle, so bullish candle close. Right after this one I entered. I was filled around, let's see, I was filled around here, something like this. My chart is pretty crowded right now, I know, but just bear with me for a second. So it looks something like this. Another confluence for this trade was that S&P was also showing bullish signs, right? Nice retrace, nice reaction off of that bullish reaction. Looked like we were going to the upside, but we didn't. We consolidated a bit, and then as you can see, moved to the downside and stopped me out. For a second, I actually thought that, oh, all right, nice, we're going up, but it wasn't the case. Yeah, we got stopped out right after that. Mistake on this trade was probably, yeah, it was definitely that I didn't wait for enough low time frame confluences. I'm kind of struggling with all my lost trades. The problem is that I don't have a written down plan anymore, right? So for a long time I had a written down plan, but at some point I just started freestyling my trades, right? Like I used the same confluences, but I was just like freestyling them, and the only plan I really had was like, okay, I will find at least one high time frame confluence, and then low time frame confluences which are aligned and will make me take a trade in the same direction as the high time frame confluences, and that's like the only plan. So now my goal is to actually write down a plan for myself, which I can follow better. Yeah, if I waited for some more confluence on this trade, it would have probably been a winning trade. Yeah, So that's the mistake on the first trade. The second trade that I took, basically right after it, or nearly right after it, we got this move to the downside with this two big red candles. So move to the downside with this one. And what I was thinking was that, okay, after that, like after the move to the downside, we got these two bullish candles, and on S&P 500 we disrespected this bullish fair value gap. Wait, let me pull everything away. We got this bullish fair value gap which got disrespected to the upside. Then we retraced back into it and then got a reaction off of that, and I think I entered, no, I didn't enter yet because I needed some more confluences. So I waited, and we got this fair value gap fill right here on the Nasdaq, and I was like, okay, let me enter right here. Enter the trade after we tapped into the fair value gap, bullish close, stop loss right below the fair value gap, and I got edged with this candle, like my stop loss got edged with this candle, and then moved to the upside a bit, and then down, and stopped me the fuck out. And yeah, that's basically it. Nothing more to say. I guess my bias was right at the end of the day. I don't even know. Like, did we tap into it? We actually tapped into this area. I should have just waited for us to tap into this area, because this was a high time frame. This was a 1 hour fair value gap and then a 0.618 retrace. This would have been something that I should have waited for. I guess I could have taken the right trade off of that. Shit is fucked up. I'm on a big ass losing streak. Let's build up a nice losing streak, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row losing. I didn't trade yesterday, as you can see also right here. Didn't have time. Yeah, that's basically it. Now for, I don't know if anyone even will see this video, but I will probably not post anything and not trade for the next 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks. I hope I can upload some psychological videos, because I have to go to the military. It's like the time that you have to spend in my country in the military. I hope I can find some time there to upload some psychological videos. But yeah, just so you guys know, I don't know if this video will blow up, I don't know, but just to be secured and you guys know it. Bye bye, guys.